The creative writing course is a workshop-based course in which you will focus on the writing process, literary elements in varying genres and forms. It is a thematic study, and so you will be able to find your own creative voice and eventually be able to create your own novel.
Whether you have an interest in writing as a hobby or professionally, creative writing is a super valuable class to take. Whether you're a poet, whether you're a novelist, if you're something in between, creative writing can accommodate for that.
Creative writing is really fun. It helped me express myself, and it helped me become a better writer.
When I think about creative writing, I think about a class that gives me the opportunity to take what's in my mind and put it onto paper.
Take creative writing. Find your right side.